Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maddie here, and welcome to another video on my channel. Welcome to a video on my channel. Hey, what's up? So, today in this video, I'm going to be filming another makeup tutorial. My friend is in the room, by the way. So, but I'm going to be doing this look. It's inspired by Halada, so all credits to her. This look, also my nails are ratchet. Since my face has not been loving me at all recently because I'm breaking out so bad, I'm going to be moisturizing my face with my different moisturizer. And then over that, I'm going to spray my Mario Rose Water. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Airspun powder. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Morphe 39A palette. Yeah, 39A palette. It's so pretty. I'm going to take my Morphe M441 and I'm just going to take this shade right here as my transition shade. Okay, and now I'm going to start going with this color right here. This like pink color. And I'm just going to be putting this into my crease. I actually use this. Gianna.
What?
Shut up. I'm going to be doing a halo eye and I'm just going to blend this. I'm going to blend this into my crease and onto my outer corner. I'm going to go back in with the transition shade just to blend out the edges because it's just looking really harsh right now. And now I'm just going to take a more smaller brush so I can really like get in there. And I'm just going to start making the outer corners more deeper. And I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. So I know in a halo eye you're supposed to cut the crease, but I'm literally so bad at that. So I'm really sorry. This is gonna turn out really crappy, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I think my camera is literally about to die because it's been having the button, the red button in there. But I'm just gonna be cutting my crease. Okay, so on top of that, I'm going to be taking this shade right here and then also putting this on top of that. Okay, so I have the cut crease. This video is a major fail because my camera died, so I went ahead and put on lashes. I used Dodo D309 and I went ahead and just did my base makeup. I primed my face with Milani and I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer. But I'm going to go ahead and just be using these custom enhancer drops by CoverFX in the shade Moonlight. This is actually brand new. I really want to use this. Don't really know how to apply it with, so I'm going to go using a foundation brush. So I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm just going to be putting powder all over my face. I'm using my air spun and I'm also going to be baking. I'm literally almost out of this. And now I'm just going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to go in to the Morphe 39A palette and I'm just going to take this pink shade.
What is she doing?
Now I'm just going to go ahead and put mascara on my lower lash line. I'm going to contour my face with my Anastasia contour kit in the shade light to medium, and I'm going to take the middle shade. And then to bronze my face, I'm going to be using the NYX bronzer in the shade light. Now time for powder highlight. I'm not going to go too major with this. Probably will. I'm going to go ahead and take my sugar kit, glow kit, and I'm going to take butterscotch for my, like, you know, these places. And then I'm going to take marshmallow for my inner corner highlight. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to be using the colourpop colourpop lip gloss in the shade curvii. Yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. The look didn't turn out too bad. I'm actually pretty proud. But yeah, anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry that I was in such a rush for the last couple minutes. But I'm just trying to finish this video. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.